Smart G1 Operation Tutorial, Installing a Sports Camera. First, we set up the tripod, place the stabilizer on the desk. Depending on whether your sports camera has a folding joint, you can choose different installation methods. Rotate to remove the screw. Then remove the mounting bracket. Extend the folding joint of the sports camera. Insert the sports camera into the Smart G1. Adjust the position of the sports camera back and forth, so that the camera center axis aligns with the device's charging port. Tighten the screw again. Loosen the horizontal adjustment knob on the back of the device. Pull out to adjust the sports camera's position, so that it is approximately level when the camera is still. Tighten the knob clockwise. Long press the power button to start using the device. If your sports camera does not have a folding joint, please use the mounting bracket for installation. Rotate to remove the screw. Remove the mounting bracket. After removing the bracket, loosen the upper and lower nuts. Insert the sports camera into the slot of the mounting bracket according to the video direction. Move the nuts to the appropriate position and tighten them. Insert the mounting bracket into the Smart G1. Follow the same steps as above. Adjust the sports camera's balance, so that the device is approximately level when still. Tighten the knob clockwise. Long press the power button to start using the device.